Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Remotasks. So let's get started. So now here we are on Remotasks.com, and we all know in order for us to make money here in Remotask is that we have to complete tasks. So the problem is you don't actually have enough tasks here on your onboarding section right here. So as you can see, I only have the transcription available for me. So this is a problem because transcription doesn't really earn that much. So how do we solve this problem? So the number one solution with this one right here is that you can just build it up. So this account right here is just a beginner account. That is why we don't have a lot of projects going on. We only have this. So we would need to complete this one in order for the other projects to open up. So that would take a long process because when I click on this one and start working on this project, there is actually a lot of it that I need to finish. So it would take really a long time in order for me to finish this and move on to the other big paying projects. But you don't have to worry about that because I have an alternative and much faster way on how you can get to the higher paying jobs or tasks here in Remotask and start earning right away. So what you can do is that you can go into Facebook, and basically you want to go search for a Facebook group right here of Remotask. So you want to go for Remotask. For example, you are currently located in USA, so you want to go for USA, Remotask USA, and go press enter. And from here, you would be presented with groups that has Remotask USA available. So this is for your locations, for example, in here. So this is for USA and Argentina. So I'm going to click here. And from here, you will be able to find people that are hiring Remotask or taskers like you that is giving projects. So as you can see right here, for example, this one, for any Remotask annotation account showing no active project, then you can contact me for a project injection right here. So you can contact people right here, and then they would be able to give you projects. So this is another great way in order for you to get projects on your dashboard. And now let's jump into other groups as well and see if there are other great opportunities for you. So we can scroll down and we can see people right here. So for example, this one is project application is ongoing. If you also need ready to task accounts, you can also DM. So they would be able to give you accounts so that you can start tasking there and you can start earning. And the only thing about this one is that you need to be very careful with scammers right here. So since this is online, scamming is very prominent right here, so be very careful on who you transact with. Make sure that they can be trusted. So that is basically it on how you can make money here on Remotask and get your onboarding center flowing with projects. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.